In this video, I will tell you how you can copy the style of one image and paste it onto another image in stable diffusion. What do I mean by that? This is the original image. This is the image I like the style of. And this is the image I generated by copying the style of image I like on the original image. Now let's find out how I did this. But before that, you need to install Stable Diffusion and ControlNet on your system. I have made step-by-step tutorial videos to do both. I will be sharing link of them in the description, so do check them out. You also need to download T2IA model and T2IA preprocessor. Let's do that. First, we will go to this Hugging Face website page. I will be sharing link of this page in the description. Here you can find lot of T2IA PTH files. If you want, you can download all of them and test them out. But for this video, we only need the T2IA style model. For that, you have to download this particular file. You also need to download complementary YML files for all the PTH files you have downloaded. In this particular video, you just need T2IA adapter style YML file. But if you have also downloaded other PTH files, you have to download other YML files also. After downloading these files, you need to go to Stable Diffusion folders, open Extensions folder, open the ControlNet folder. Inside that, go to Models folder, and here you have to paste both the files that you have downloaded or all the model files that you have downloaded. After doing this, if you have already launched Stable Diffusion, you have to relaunch it again. If not, just launch the application. So I am on Stable Diffusion, and as you can see, I have generated this image using these prompts. And now I will stylize this image. For that, I will go to ControlNet, and as you can see, I have T2IA option in ControlNet, and if you have downloaded and saved the files as I told you, you will also get this option. After selecting T2IA, I will select the preprocessor T2IA style clip widget, and model, I had to select T2IA adapter style. One more thing you have to ensure before using this model, that your ControlNet should be up to date. To check that, you need to go to Extensions. In the Install tab, click on Check for Updates. If there is any update available for ControlNet, you will see it here. And you just need to click on Apply and Restart UI. It will restart the Stable Diffusion and update will be done. Now I will upload the image I want the style of. So this is the image I have selected. You can select any image you want. I will click on Pixel Perfect and let's generate the image. So we got this image of beautiful mountains, but where is the girl over here? So this is not the way you stylize the image. To stylize it properly, you need multiple ControlNet option. If you are not seeing multiple ControlNet on your system, you need to go to Settings, need to go to ControlNet options, and here you have to select multiple ControlNet. So I have selected 3. If you want, you can select 2, or you can also select 4 or 5. After entering a value here, you need to apply the settings. And then you will be seeing multiple ControlNet over here. So here I will upload the same image I had generated before. And for this image, I will select Depth Model. I will click on Pixel Perfect and let's click on Generate again. So this is the image we got. We can see the mountains in the background. If you want the impact of style to be more, you need to decrease the control weight over here. So I will set it at 0.7, but you can also try other values. So let's click on Generate again. So this is another image I got. Now let's stylize using this image of a forest. So this is the image we got. Now let's use this abstract image. So this time we got this image. So one thing I would like to mention, that you can tweak the settings and get different styles. What I mean by that you can change the control mode from balance to my prompt is more important, or maybe ControlNet is more important. You can go to the actual image and play with the weights, play with the starting control step or ending control step. or with the control mode, and you will get different versions of the same image. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more such videos.